Quick Shield 108YM or Yield Monster. Yield Monster is the latest generation of industry-leading open-cell spray foam from SWD Urethane. As a spray foam contractor, it is important to know your yields. By following these simple steps, you can easily measure and calculate your yield. This practice will help you minimize cost, identify waste, and accurately forecast your product needs. First, choose a symmetrical sample area where you have not sprayed yet that is at least 10 feet by 8 feet. Next, clear the stroke count on your proportioner to later identify how much liquid volume was moved while spraying your sample area. You will then spray the designated sample area. Write down your stroke count after spraying. Measure the length of the sample area. Type the measurement in inches into this field in Excel. Then, measure the height of the sample area. Type the measurement in inches into this field in Excel. Enter in the number of studs within your sample area. This is based upon stud width of 1.5 inches. Take 5 measurements for thickness. Use a probe to take the measurements randomly throughout the sample area. Type in the thickness you measured here. Choose your proportioner from the drop-down. Type in your stroke count you wrote down from earlier here. Based upon accurate measurements, you will see your yield calculation here. If you need additional help measuring your yield, please contact the SWD Urethane Technical Team. They are dedicated to providing you with the tools and resources you need to succeed.